Welcome to Off Track Planet.
We are Ed
And Ross.
We are at one of our favorites, the MBK Center. It's a busy shopping center with a market feel. On its 7th floor, you will find about 2,000 shops, dozens of restaurants and various entertainment, including cinemas, a bowling alley, 3D trick art museum.
While MBK is not as glitzy and upmarket as neighboring Siam, Paragon and Central World, prices are really lower.
While there are several large stores on the lower floor, upper floors have feel of an indoor market with air conditioning.
Countless stalls and small shops seem to have been crammed in every corner, nook and cranny. Vendors sell mainly fashion and fashion accessories, beauty products, electronics, jewelry, souvenirs, handicrafts, shoes, handbags, phones, DVDs, cameras and gadgets.
The 6th floor houses a large and cheap food court with a choice of Thai, Japanese and Western food, as well as large selection of Thai sweets and desserts.
Prices are as low as 50 Thai baht for a dish. Buy a food card at one of the counters, receive the balance on the card back on the same counter.
If you are looking for a vegetarian food option, here you will find some vegetarian food and they are absolutely delicious.
Food court and restaurants. Several fast food places on the 1st and 2nd floor include Burger King, Subway and Dunkin' Donuts. Among the eateries on the 7th floor are Sizzler, Fuji, Pizza Hut, Black Canyon and Shibuya soft ice cream. On the lower floors are several large stores selling mainly fashion and fashion accessories, beauty products, shoes, handbags and jewelry.
The upper floors are a good place to try your bargaining skill. You will often be able to get discount if you buy several items. Vendors at small shops and stalls on the third floor and fourth floor sell mobile phones, tablet, cameras, cable, chargers, phone covers, DVD and other electronics. MBK Centers opens daily from 10 am until 10 pm and it's always busy, especially on weekends.
It is located on Phayathai Road in the Siam area of central Bangkok. Get there by BTS SkyTrain. It is a very short walk on an elevated walkway from BTS Station National Stadium.
If you are not near to SkyTrain station, you can take a taxi or a tuk-tuk. Please refer the detail on how to get here in the description below.
Hope you loved watching it. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe if you are planning on next vacation to Bangkok, which we think you should.
Toodles!